to show you how to complete journal entry in AET. So this summer, your requirement is to complete at least 5 journal entries. To complete at least 5 journal entries on AET in a bi-weekly fashion. Okay, so by September, I should be able to see 5. The neat thing about this is I can actually go on and monitor the number of times you logged in, the number of times you tried to log in, or look at the journal entries that you in your journal entries. It's a nice way for me to stay up to date with your project. That being said, if it's August 1st and you haven't done a single entry, I'm going to be a little bit concerned and make contact and try to figure out what's going on. So this is something that you need to stay on top of. The point in this, hopefully it will alleviate a lot of the SAE work you're doing throughout the school year. And ultimately, I would really like for you to be able to literally copy and paste a journal entry into your SAE photo. Okay? So imagine your SAE photo as we're talking about the journal entries. So you are going to go to your journal on AET. This button here says time in your AET experience. That's how you enter your SAE thesis. I like AET because you can pretty much talk about all of your ag experiences in general, from time in your community service activities to time in the class. This is how we're going to be doing our work samples this year as well. Time in your FFA office, committees, CDEs, and other activities such as, let's say, a meeting or an outreach event, things like that. So first we're going to talk about managing or blogging about your SAE. So what experience do we want to talk about today? Anna, we're going to write your SAE caption. So we're going to talk about Plankton Monitoring Network. So Anna, what do you do at Plankton Monitoring Network? Awesome. So she takes water samples and analyzes plankton that are there in the reports. So which one of these natural resource systems standards would apply to you? What's most connected? Analyzing natural resources, applying scientific principles, producing, harvesting, processing, protecting natural resources, or communicating about natural resources. All right. So let's say protecting natural resources. All right. How many hours did you spend on Saturday? All right, 4 hours, and then she's going to talk about her description of the activity here. If you go back into classroom, and photos. So if you go onto classroom, I linked the SAE photo rubric there. Break it. Read all about what is required from an SAE photo. So you can click on the grading rubric on Google Classroom. You should have a narration about the description of the project and the steps taken. So what was going on in that photo that day. A description of 2 technical skills and 2 employability skills. The narrative about the skills, how they fit into the workplace in the future, and then your photo characteristics and your spelling and grammar. So you should always have yourself in the picture, and it should illustrate a different task. So remember on the project planning sheets how they outline what the tasks are. You have to say every single task that you could possibly go through. The same thing on the same process here. So your photo should illustrate a task. So collecting water sample would be the task. Putting the sample under the microscope outside, right? Reading a weapon. Sending your data to no one. Things like that. Any questions on SAE photos? Okay. The next part of this that's really cool is the fact that you can upload them to Google Classroom. and I can store the